Hello, students. This is Pastor Josh. I just wanted to take a minute to walk you through our Google Classroom system so that you're familiar with how our classes work for the online portion of them. So here you can see this is the front page of one of our classes, Christian Apologetics, and this is kind of our stream or our wall, whatever you want to call it, but it's where different comments from the professor could appear here, or even comments from the other students, announcements and things like that. Maybe a professor will even post a syllabus or other material for you on this front page here. Then here we would have our coursework. Now, of course, you can't see anything that's grayed out. That's just for the professor. But when they hit the live button, it'll look like week 1 here. And you can just click and you can watch the video. You can watch a video. Then you would do this question here and you would view the question and answer it as part of your grades. And your grades are visible over here. Now, of course, I don't have any students in this class yet, but that would be how that would appear for you, and you would see your name and all the grades for you, and even your full semester grade if you clicked in the corner there. And so anyways, you can go through each week of the semester, and there are 15 weeks in the semester. And it's a pretty straightforward system, but of course, if you have any questions, we'd be happy to work with you. Now, one problem I often see people have is they have a problem actually accessing the class. So here I've invited a make-believe student to the class. And so let's just shift over here. And as a student, you'll get an email to your school email. So you have to log in to your harvestbible.college email in order to get the invite. And that same email account is the account you have to be logged into in Google in order to access your class. If you're logged into your regular, Gmail account, you won't see our classes in Google Classroom. But the website is classroom.google.com, or of course you can just follow the links that are sent to you as well. But you'll click join either at Google Classroom or through the email. It's fine either way. But you just hit join, and then you'll be invited to the class. And you'll be able to see everything you have there. You'll be able to comment with the professors. And of course, if you have any issue with this, please let us know. But the number one thing people mess up is they forget to change their Google account over to the Harvest Bible account. And that's why you're having trouble seeing it most of the time. So if you have any questions, if you need anything from us, please let us know. And we hope you have a great semester. God bless. Bye-bye.